In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from Manychat in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward, and by following these simple steps, you can quickly and efficiently manage your Manychat subscription. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Manychat website. Open up your web browser and type in the URL to access Manychat. Once there, locate the Sign In button. This is usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on Sign In to access your Manychat account. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your login credentials to proceed. Make sure you have your email and password handy, as you'll need them to enter the dashboard. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Manychat homepage. This is your primary dashboard where you manage your account features. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't done so already. From this page, you'll want to navigate to the Home tab. This section serves as the central hub of your Manychat account management. Once you are on the Home tab, your next step is to access the account settings. To do this, look for the Settings option. It's usually displayed on the sidebar or menu depending on the interface updates. Click on Settings and you'll be taken to a new menu with various options to manage your account. Now within the Settings menu, you should see an option labeled Billing. This section contains all the financial and subscription related options for your account. Go ahead and select Billing to proceed. In the billing section, you'll find detailed information about your current subscription, including the plan you're subscribed to and other related billing details. Here, focus your attention on the subscription option. By clicking on the subscription link, you'll be able to view additional details regarding your active plan. Finally, it's time to take action on your subscription. This is the stage where you can manage or cancel your existing plan. Generally, there will be a clear option to unsubscribe or cancel. Follow the prompts as instructed on the screen to effectively unsubscribe from your Manychat subscription. Remember to read any confirmation messages thoroughly to ensure you're fully aware of any cancellation terms or changes to your account. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have successfully navigated the process to unsubscribe from Manychat. It's an efficient way to ensure you're only paying for the services that you actually need. If you have any questions or run into any issues, Manychat's customer support team is typically available to assist further. Thank you for watching, and make sure to stay updated for more helpful guides like this one.